Alright guys, we're out here with the FlyTec T21. A real gem. A real beaut. Oh wait, one of the props stuck. Now that never happened indoors and I never crashed it, so what the heck gives with that? Wow, it looks like the whole thing broke. Oh, it's okay now. It bent. Huh, I wonder how that happened. I don't know. Well, we'll take off. Let's put it in the third rate. Okay, the flips are working. They work in all directions. Okay, remember, just like it did when I had it inside flying it, that third rate has a real bad oversteer. It's really touchy when you're steering it in the third rate. It wants to oversteer and go back the other direction, so. And the second rate is fine. You know, it'll steer normally. There's that little bit of headwind causing it to come back toward me ultra fast, so you know, you're going to have to adjust for that too. Turn it quicker. See how slow it goes out, but when it comes back, it's going really quick. Yeah, it just takes a little bit of breeze to affect these little things. Believe me, it doesn't take much. But it flies great, man. See that leaf blowing, so you see that leaf blowing there toward me, so you can tell which way the wind's blowing. You know, it's a pretty decent range there. It's like 50 feet, 60 feet right there. Yeah, that, boy, when it stops coming around that corner, it really has to use a lot of power to get straightened back out. Yeah, the range is real decent on it, to be honest. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Crash. I knew that was coming because I lost the head on it. And I'm like, which way is it gonna go? And that was that crash. But it's crash proof. It's crash proof, guys, because it it has that big guard on there. Yeah, the wind really affects this thing. This thing's probably strictly indoors, because any kind of breeze, like any kind of breeze out there, is gonna cause this thing to go bonkers. It's gonna be very hard to control in any kind of wind. It kind of stopped there for a second, but it'll pick back up. Okay, I crashed again, because when you do the flips in the wind, it causes it to spin. It causes it to spin around where you don't know what the orientation is. It kind of goes out of position whenever you do a flip in the wind. So when it's a breeze pops up, don't do any flipping. Okay, so you know that. No flips in the wind. Okay, I just reset the gyro again. Come back here. Yeah, this is definitely strictly indoors. You see that nice grab, didn't you? Yeah, I don't know if the battery's going low. It's getting a little squirrely. So let me reset that again. Yeah, it's got this lag now in the, see, look at that. Yeah, okay, I'm done with this thing. The battery must be weak. There's lots of lag in the steering, so I'm not gonna mess with it no more. That's good enough. Keep this thing strictly inside. This thing's not really that good out here. I mean, you saw it fly decent, but you have to have absolutely no wind. No wind whatsoever, it'll be okay. Any kind of wind, no dice. Alright guys, FlyTec T21, it's a gem. It's a classic. Okay guys, have a nice day.